Hi, I'm Ran, President CEO of PTRC. I'm standing in beautiful PTRC head office building in Treaty 4 territory and homeland of Métis. I'm here talking about most important energy conferences happening in Canada, in Regina, Williston Basin Petroleum Conference. I just want to highlight this is the 30th year of the conference. Williston Basin Petroleum Conference played a very important role in energy development in Saskatchewan in terms of oil and gas, geothermal, lithium and helium. The PTRC's expertise in research and development of these very important energy resources played a vital role in developing these resources for past 25 years. PTRC is a world leader in carbon capture, utilization and storage in terms of research, development and demonstration projects and also field applications. Our experiences with Weyburn and Midale project and with the current CO2 injection project called Aquistore in Estevan played a very important role in development of CCUS in Saskatchewan, in Canada and around the world. As part of the conference, PTRC is hosting a one full day of CCUS workshop. It will be a very important course for the industry and the folks who want to learn more about CCUS. I am talking about one of the most important energy conferences happening in Canada. We are very happy to host you all for the Williston Basin Petroleum Conference happening in Regina, Saskatchewan. Thank you.